Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got a Pasquini Livia 90, and this machine needed a new like a connector for the water reservoir. So it was just broken. There's supposed to be a pin that sits in here that pushes on the water reservoir to allow it to open so the water can flow into the machine. So we repaired that, but found also that it needed a new pump. So we replaced the pump as well as the pressure stat. The customer complained about some issues with the with overheating and pressurizing, which we saw was going past the 1.5 bars that the machine should go to. So I put in a new pressure stat and readjusted it. Everything looks good now. I adjusted it to around 1.25 bars, which should give you pretty decent steam power. And so I'm just going to pull a shot for you, just to show you that everything's working. I did not do a tune-up on this machine, so I didn't replace the gaskets or anything. I just did those repairs that I listed. And this is our test coffee. It's not calibrated to the machine, so it's not going to come out as a perfect shot. But it's just to show you the machine works. So here's that. Still have really nice crema on the top. And then I'll show you the hot water. So we're able to get hot water through there, and let's do this, the steam. Okay, so we're still able to get nice strong steam, hot water, and a great shot. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.